Okay, so I think this is the very first time. Okay, I think we are talking to each other.
Yes, yes.
I just want to know something more about yourself. Can you go for it?
Okay, yeah, so definitely, my name is Ravindra Singh and I'm living in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. And now, actually, I have done my graduation in B Tech and computer science. But yeah, nowadays I'm preparing for some competitive exams like in banking and SSC. So that a particular exam I focus on nowadays.
Yeah, that's great.
And yeah, and some tell yes, I'm I like very passionate about English, so that's why sometimes I am talking with some partners about English. So yeah, I like in speaking someone partner. This is my hobby.
Oh, that's great. So now it's my turn. Okay, let me introduce myself. This is Mitlesh, and I'm talking to you from Bihar. And talking about my educational qualification, I'm an arts graduate since 2019. And talking about my hobby, I love making videos. I love meeting, new people. Yeah, so that's it. So I just want to know that why do you want to learn this language? I mean, English language.
Yeah, it's a basic. Nowadays, it is a basic question because every person's know about English is very important for any sector. If you are doing for any competition, preparing for any competition exams, if you are doing any corporate sector, so everywhere English is a very need. And if you are do better communication, so that after that you establish your better career compared to
Mhm.
another person. So yeah, that's a very reason because English is a worldwide language, and when you do better communication, it's the perfect for yourself.
Wow, great. And I can see that on your face, okay, there is, much, confidence. It shows that. So how did you, develop such kind of, confidence in yourself?
Yeah, actually, this is the most difficult. This is the main reason. If you are a communication person, that time you build your confidence. If you build your confidence in a one time, so definitely you speak better. Any person, any person, any situation. So this is the most important. First of all, you go away your fear and you build your confidence in yourself. Then you better communication for any person.
Mhm. All right. So since when have you been learning this language?
Yeah, actually, I have been using for 6 months.
Mhm. So you have been learning this language for 6 months.
Yes.
So apart from doing such kind of conversation, so is there any special activity which you follow to get more confidence in yourself and the way you just talking to improve yourself?
Yeah, actually, I'm also told you I'm preparing for some competitive exams. So in competitive exams, I need like a reading newspaper, writing new vocabulary, and learn, and then making some sentence, how to use it and how to conversation. So after that, I'm doing some exercise like a 1 and 2 month. Then I realized I'm also able to speak any person. So why not to speak any people's? Because English is also spoken is a very need. So now before 2 months ago, I started on any not any particular regular, but yeah, sometimes I find any partner. So that time I started for I spoke any person.
How is it just going on? Because you do love talking to the people every day, because sometimes when we talk to the people on this application, okay, we do not find the people I mean a speaker, they are good for you, they can just communicate with you, they are very dull speaker. So what do you think that, and how do you just manage that that conversation, and how do you just hold that conversation? Because talking about a particular topic, okay, sometimes people do not hold the conversation. They just like talk, hi, hello, where are you from, and what do you do, and after that they just hang up the call. So how do you just hold the conversation?
Yeah, so actually this is the main things. If you are a beginner, so that time you are only starting learning how are you, how to do, okay, and the end of your conversation. But you have interested on this platform in this like about English. So that time
Mhm.
you have also keep in your one topic, one and two topics. See, and you also told that ki, I'm interested for you in a particular one topics, and if you are interested in this topic, so yeah, because lots
Mhm.
of people are interested nowadays, and every person is very intelligent and know about what is aware, what is going on in nowadays because social media is very famous. and every person is using mobile phones, social medias. So yeah, so I have a lots of topics. If you are interested, so then yeah, then call me and increase our communication skills.
Oh, that's perfect. That's perfect. Okay. I think I can see that. Okay. After just listening your English, okay, I just feel that your English is quite good. Yeah. So, which examination, especially, are you preparing about?
Yeah,
Which
actually,
examination,
my
especially,
um,
you prepared?
yes, actually, I'm preparing for my main exam is like SBI. No, banking sector is the most my favorite job, and I'm preparing for that type particular that type of exams. But I'm only focused on the SBI and RBI is the best exam for me. This is
Oh,
my
that's great.
dream job.
I wish you all the best. Okay. Definitely in coming time. Okay, you can crack any examination, and you will secure your one seat for especially for yourself. So, all right. Okay, so now it's your turn. Okay, if you have any question, then you can ask, and I would be
Mhm.
so happy to answer your question.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you for giving this opportunity. So yeah, so first of all, I know about you. What's your hobbies and what your dream, future dream, what you become. So tell me something about your in your side.
Yeah. When it comes to my hobby, I love making videos on different social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, and the YouTube as well. And YouTube is one of my favorite uh, you know place where I feel good and where I should walk. And if I talk about my ambition, okay, so I just want to see my future, as a good English trainer in my future, and I just want to, I just want to connect myself with the globally. I do not want to teach to the people who comes from my, especially my state. I just want to teach the around the globe. So that is one of my passion, and let's see how things just take a shape. And I just think that okay, definitely one day my dream will come true. So yeah, I think you understood that.
Yes, definitely, definitely. You in one time your dream is come and true, become a true. Because you also I like you because you are very passionate about your goals. Clear about your goals. So when you one time you clear your goals, so definitely in future you will get success in your life and get every your and true. Your all dreams are true.
Obviously, I think our goal must be must be clear, because if you are preparing for any examination, but I which examination is especially preparing about, and what is the syllabus of that examination? If you don't know that, okay, then how will you just crack and how will you just achieve your target? So I think that is the must, okay, to know your goals and to do something for your goal. Then definitely one day you will pursue your goal. Yeah, am I right?
Yes, yes, you are right. Actually, this is the main reason. If you are clear your goals and you know what you achieve and how to work and what is a syllabus and what is which work you are doing, so that time you success in your life. So that time you easy become easy for your path, and after one time you will get success in your life.
Obviously. So how long have you been preparing for a competitive examination?
Yeah, actually, after graduation, I did, and after that, I did starting for preparing for in that exam. So after that time, I realized that English is also very important because if you have no knowledge in about English, because in every and nowadays you also know competition is a very high, and
Very
and every person is a every student is very aware for any job, any vacancy. So that time every person is very aware, so competition is very high. So that time
mhm,
your skills yourself, develop your one skills and not different compared to another person. So this is a good chance to, if you get a chance, so that time you beaten for any person and yeah, and make your position any place. So this is I'm realized, and then I realized, yeah, this is a most must skills I have. So
mhm.
after one time he's give a one another position for in myself. So
Yeah.
yeah, so
So
this is
when did you complete your graduation? In which year?
actually in I have done my graduation at 2022, and yeah, after that I almost 1 year I have completed and I'm preparing for some competitive exams.
So from where do you prepare? So are
Uh,
you just are you on a, are you staying at your home, and by sitting at home, okay, you are preparing, or you are living on a rent over there, you are preparing for your examination?
Yeah, actually, nowadays I'm living on my home because nowadays is like lots of online coachings are available. So I took some subscription by online, and yeah,
Mhm.
so this is easy for me because I live in my home and I'm preparing for in a alone in my room. So this is the best for me.
Yeah, because the why I ask this kind of question, because when we live at home, so distraction is the very part very close, yeah. And sometimes we, just because of the home homework, we have to go outside, and sometimes mama calls, sometimes papa calls, son, you have to go there, okay, you have to do this work. So we cannot give our proper time to our study, okay. So that's why I have asked this
Hmm.
question. Okay, but I
Yes,
think you
yes,
are so lucky, because you just you are just alone. You just live alone at your home, and you are preparing, and you are quite focused on your study. Okay, that is really up to the mark.
yes, yes, you're right. Actually, in my this is a main reason.
Mhm.
Like a very few members live in my home, so that's why actually me and my mom also only live in my home, and my father is also live another place for a job purpose, and my one I have one younger